Hello everyone, today I would like to share with you. I just got the Crimping tool from Amazon. Pay about like 69 plus tax about like $80. So they have 6 different crimping. So the tool I got from Amazon, I see the review is very good about like anyone give 5 stars. I buy the reason why I do a lot of electrical, right? So I would like to see the good or not. So let me see. Usually I use a connector, buck connector. I want to see that buck connector they have over here. So usually I use this one or use this one. So this one, we use this one, we gotta use the number A. I use this connector, we gotta use number B. I'll share with you right they do it. So let me see over here what they have over here. Number A already, the A already over here. So try, I want to see the A and B work different. I look my camera too much. You gotta go back. Okay. So number 8. Buck connector. Gotta use the wire. Small wire. Whole set connector. I use number A first. Number A, the buck connector. Kind up like this. Okay. I don't have the red one, but I use this one. Let's see. They work. So the green color. We have the blue color over here. Yeah. Let's see how they work. Good or not. It's good actually. It's good. It's good. Okay. I'm gonna take another one. I'm gonna try one more time. That's the reason why a lot of people they give the review very good. Okay, try one more time. Green, the blue color. Good. Good. So they wanna adjust, I believe that. If you more cream. Okay, so I'm gonna send the link in my YouTube channel, and you guys go to Amazon, search this name, Crimping tool. They call Crimping tool set. That's very good anyway. So now I'm going to try the next one. I'm going to try this one. Okay, I'm going to try B. Let's see. This one always like this. The one on the top, the collar on the top. We go to the next one. Let's see. now we try B. Try B this one. Let's see. Crimping wire. Okay. So now what I have to do, I'm gonna use the yellow, okay? Try the yellow first to see how. This one is small wire, but I try anyway. Let's see how they work. Oh, actually it's good, man. It's good. Look. It's good. Okay, so now I'm going to try the blue color, okay? Man, this one is very good. Actually, very good. So I'm going to try one more, the rest one. Now I'm going to try the rest one. I want to see what's going on. Okay. I don't know if the rest one is good or not, but okay. The rest one, go to the red color. Let's see. The rest one a little bit heavy, but let me see. Yes, actually the rest one. The rest one a little bit heavy. Yeah, the rest one we have to adjust something. Okay. So the rest one a little bit hard. Let's see, I'm going to try one more, the rest one with the blue color. I want to do this one. Okay, with the blue color. Let's see it work. Actually, the blue color it worked too for the rest one too. Okay, so now what I have to do, I go to the next one. I go different. Okay, so now I gotta go this one. I gotta go this one. This one and this one are related, but the same anyway. Okay, I gotta go this one. Blue color. Good, man. Very good. Ribbon. They call it a ribbon tour. Actually good. Man. Okay, so I just review in my ribbon tour. So I put the link below in the Amazon, and you guys can buy the tour from Amazon. $80, not too bad anyway. Okay, thank you for your watching my video. See you next video. Ciao.